Good evening to everybody. Today we are discussing about organization structures, stress, health and safety. The topics we are going to discuss is what is stress, stress in work environment, case study about the stress, and how the stress can be reduced by good project management, health and safety. What is stress? Stress is a natural human response to perceived threat or challenge. It is a complex psychological reaction that can be both positive and negative effects on our health. How the stress is in work environment. Work related to stress can have number of negative consequences for both employees and employers. For employees, it can lead to health problems, decreased productivity, and increased turnover. For example, it can lead to decreased profitability, increased absenteeism, and legal ability. Work related stress is harmful to physical and emotional responses that occur when the requirements of the job do not match the capabilities, resources, or needs of worker, like heavy workload, unrealistic deadlines, lack of control over work, poor communication and relationship with colleagues and managers, bullying and harassment, unhealthy working conditions, and job insecurity. Case study. In this case study, the client is a John who a 35-year old software engineering. His background has been working at current company for 2 years. He's high performing employee, but he has been feeling increasingly stressed over the past few months. His workload has increased significantly and he is often working late nights and weekends. He's also been having trouble sleeping and concentrating. Assessment. John's therapist assessed his stress level and identified a number of contributing factors, including his demand workload, unrealistic deadlines, and lack of control over his work. The treatment goals have developed by a team plan with John focused on the following goals. Intervention. The therapist worked with John to develop a strategy for negotiating with manager to reduce his workload and set more realistic deadlines. John also learned how to say no to new projects and delegate tasks. The therapist also taught John relaxation techniques such as deep breathing and meditation. The outcome from this case study is after several weeks of treatment, John's stress level has decreased significantly and he was able to reduce his workload and set realistic deadlines and improve his communication with his manager. And he also reported that he was sleeping better and concentrating better at work. And now, how the stress can be reduced by good project management. Good project management should lead to a reasonable estimates of effort. Good project control leading fewer unexpected crises. Making clear what is expected of each team member reduces the role ambiguity, reduces role conflict where a person is torn between the conflicting responsibilities. Bulking tactics and a symptom of incompetent project management. Good project management can help to reduce stress in a number of ways, including creating a plan and setting a realistic expectations, a well-defined project plan with clear goals and milestones. And it also help to reduce uncertainty and stress for both project managers and team members. When everyone knows what is expected of them when it is due, it is easier to stay on track and avoid feeling overwhelmed. Delegating tasks and empowering team members and project members should avoid trying to do everything themselves. By delegating tasks to team members and empowering team to make decisions, project managers can also reduce their own workload and stress levels. This also allows team members to develop their skills and knowledge, which can boost morale and productivity. Communicating effectively with stakeholders, where it give regular and effective communication with stakeholders can help to manage expectations and avoid surprises. This can help the reduce stress for both project managers and stakeholders. Monitoring progress and adjusting plan as needed. Things don't always according to plan, so it is important to regularly monitor the progress and make adjustments as needed. This helps that ensure the project stays on track and the problems are identified and addressed early on. and creating a positive and supportive work environment. A positive and supportive work environment can help to reduce stress for everyone involved in the project, and the project manager can create this environment by showing appreciation for team members for their hard work and providing opportunities for their feedback and development. Then coming to health and safety. Apart from stress, health and safety less likely to be an issue compared to other engineering projects. But sometimes IT infrastructure may be set up as other building work is going on. UK law says lays that down the organization empowering over 5 staff should have a written safety policy. Management of safety should be embedded in project management. To the project must be committed to health and safety. Delegation of responsibilities related to H&S should be clear. Job description should include health and safety responsibilities. Need to ensure those given health and responsibilities should understand and accept them. There should be a designated safety officer. Staff, particularly knowledgeable technical specialists, should be consulted about safety. There should not be adequate health and safety budget. Thank you.